Bonjour mes amis, hello my friends. Let's start a new video today with the French alphabets. As you have seen in the previous video, I have told you about the French alphabets. Today we are going to learn the words begin with these French alphabets. So please watch my previous video on French alphabets to know more about their pronunciation. In this video, you are going to know the words beginning with these alphabets. So let's start. A, avion. B, bateau. C, chat. D, dauphin. E, éléphant. F, fraise. G, gâteau. H, hibou. I, igloo. J, jaguar. K, kiwi. L, lion. M, mouton. N, nuage. O, orange. P, pomme. Q, quatre. R, reine. S, soleil. T, tigre. U, usine. V, vélo. W, wagon. X, xylophone. Y, yaourt. Z, zèbre. Merci. So that's all in this lesson. We are going to learn new things in the next upcoming